Yo, this is Tanya Sims and you're watching Caribbean TV. Keep it locked. No touch the mouse, no scroll, no browse.
It's just a really good experience. I'm just so thankful for that. Right now I have a few singles that I'm promoting, mainly Pray, which I just dropped about 2 weeks ago. I have Request, and the new video for that is on my Vivo, Stacious Vivo. Please watch, like, and subscribe, Stacious Vivo. Also, I have Number One, so you can check all those out. To keep abreast with everything I'm up to, all my work, all my projects, all my videos, all you need to do is go on Instagram and follow me at The Real Stacious. On Facebook, it's The Real Stacious as well, and on Twitter it's Real Stacious. Thank you guys for the support, and this just has been an amazing journey and a really good show today. Blessings. Your name, oh God, I pray, I pray, I pray, I pray for my enemies the same. Me I pray for the blessing like rain. Pray for your every shower, wash away the pain and hurt and anger. Make me forgive who me help and trust, but them just don't love me no longer. God, you know me soul and me intent. Flesh weak, so me beg for forgiveness frequent. Remove all of the dark talk, granting me a peaceful and pure heart. I pray.